Meet your new BFF for all things dark and spooky, the Olight Rechargeable Flashlight. In the next minute, prepare to have your mind lit up, literally, by this pocket powerhouse with a whopping 3,000 lumens. Yes, you heard that right, 3,000 lumens. This baby turns night into day with a flick of a switch. Forgot to stock up on batteries? No sweat. The Olight comes with USB-C charging. Simply plug it in, grab a coffee, and it's ready to rock in about 2 to 3 hours. One charge gives you up to 15 hours of high-octane brightness. But wait, there's more. Whether you're camping, signaling for help, or pulling pranks in the dark, this flashlight's got your back with multiple modes from high to strobe to SOS. Plus, its tough as nails aluminum shell laughs in the face of rain with its waterproof IPX6 rating. Lightweight, durable, and crafted for grip, the Olight is like the superhero of flashlights with adjustable focus for any situation. Think long-range beams or wide floodlights. This flashlight adapts as fast as you do. So whether you're tackling the great outdoors or just a broken light bulb, the Olight Rechargeable Flashlight is your trusty sidekick. Ready to light up your world? Check out the link in the description to snag yours now.